In the African wilderness, the wild African serval cat comes to life, gracefully moving across sunlit grasslands. Its golden coat, adorned with dark spots, showcases its unique beauty and adaptability to its surroundings. This incredible feline is equipped with elongated legs, perfect for navigating tall grass, and large, sensitive ears to detect the faintest sounds of potential prey. The African serval cat is a remarkable symbol of nature's balance, thriving in the heart of the savannah, where grace and power harmoniously coexist.